I want to talk about atoms. Let's look the concept of atoms in the Al-Quran. Allah mentioned to us the concept of atoms in one ayah in Surah Al-Zalzalah. Allah said that for those who do a good deeds, even as size as zarah, it will be counted and will be rewarded accordingly. So the concept of zarah, which is atom, is the smallest thing in the world. Professor Dr. Hamka, in his Tafsir Al-Azhar, Professor Dr. Hamka mentioned that the atom itself is the smallest size in the world which cannot be divided. So my research is related to the subject of mathematical physics. So we know that in physical system consists of many of atoms that have been structured and connected each other. So this, my research will be apply mathematical tools, study in the atomic levels to understand how the macroscopic properties. In other words, my research 100% mathematics without using any experimental lab. Okay, so how my research works? First, consider 3 parameters from the structures of atoms, which I consider charges of the atoms, the interaction between atoms, and also the temperature. From these parameters, I define the equation, which I involve mathematical models, and the equation is analyzed qualitatively and quantitatively. Quantitatively, we look for the final values of the equation, and qualitatively, we have the physical interpretation for this value. In my result, I have found 4 phases, which is called ferromagnetic, antiferromagnetic, and also paramodulated at the lowest temperature. And for the highest temperature, I found that paramagnetic phase. Lastly, what I want to talk is about how the mathematics plays important in developing the technology. Mathematics, we cannot say that for the equation is easily to be solved like we in a primary school. Mostly in engineering and physics experiment, we have a very complicated equation to be solved. That's why we need to have computational methods to solve this equation, which this involves mathematics tools to help in developing the technology. Thank you.